Hi, it's 28th June and I'd like to show you the Gazania. It's also known as the treasure flower and the African daisy. It's native to South Africa, and as you can imagine, in South Africa they don't get nearly as much rain as we have here in the UK, so they really like dry, hot, sunny conditions and won't need any water outside of rainfall. It absolutely screams exotic and takes tropical to a new level, in my opinion. I thought the passion flower was beautiful. I did a video on that the other day. I think this is fast becoming my favourite flower in the garden. So planting advice: pick a well-drained soil, sandy if possible. Mine's in a clay compost mix. See, it's dry as a bone, so it's obviously not too fussy. I had some of these last year. They didn't have the same flowers on them, but they didn't make it through. So they're not cold hardy here in the UK. I will try and get it through to next year, or perhaps some seeds. And yeah, I just thought I'd let you know about this wonderful plant or flower.